Hello friends and my dear students, as we are studying industrial engineering method study, in which we have studied that how you can develop the operation process chart. We have seen what are the various symbols used in the operation process chart and how you can just develop the operation process chart. Even we have seen one example of puncturing of tire in the last session. So today we will see the another example in this particular connection and particular series of this developing the operation process chart. So let's get it started. Myself Subham Masti, I am working here as assistant professor in mechanical engineering department at Government Engineering College, Banswara, Rajasthan. Okay. So in the last session we have discussed that how what we can develop that the solution of this activity, which is the car jack for repairing a tire puncture. It has been lifted, then tire is fitted after the puncture is repaired. Means between these two activities, what are the activities which are necessary that we have to cover out and list down and prepare the operation process chart. So we listed down these activity. I'm just scrolling it, not explaining, which we have also explained in the last session. If you need to get understanding of this particular example, you can just go through the previous session where we have discussed these activities. Then you can come back to see what are the next example we are going to discuss today. So this is all about the activities. Then we have listed down these activities in this particular order, in which the total 14 activities are from the operation activities, which we have depicted as a circle, and 2 activities are from inspection area. So these we have listed it as in the square. Okay? So this is all about the repair of the car puncture activity or the process. Now the example to which we are going to discuss is you have to study the method of riveting of two plates. Riveting is another method of joining instead of welding. Okay. Riveting of two plates as shown in the figure, next figure. The assembly consists of the three components: two thick cold rolled steel plates and mild steel rivets. Means two steel plates are there and mild steel rivets are there. So that you have to find it out. Now, assembly plates are like this. These are the two plates. These are the second plate. Then these are the three rivets. This is the top view. You can see this is the side view or this is the front view, in which you can see that these are the rivets depth. Okay, this much of the depth, and this is the upper cap of the rivets. Okay, so in this way you can join. So how you can write down this operation? So first is rivets. You have to inspect the rivets first, then plates, marking of the holes, drill the holes and inspect that hole. Okay, similarly in the plate 2, what you have to do: marking of the hole must be done, drill of the hole must be done, then countersinking, means that should be aligned with the plate 1, then inspect those holes. Okay, after that matching the plates 1 and 2 you can get it done at step 6. Okay, then you can insert the rivets in the step number 7. Then riveting operation must be performed, then inspect the rivet joints. So in this way you can prepare the outline process chart, okay, of riveting of two plates, in which there are total 8 activities for operation and 4 activities are for inspection, as you can see, which we have depicted here. So there are total 12 activities. In this triangle shows the storage. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. So we have only mentioned the operation and inspection in the outline process chart. Okay, so this is the particular thing which you can get it done with the help of outline process chart. And similarly you can also select various examples of drawing the outline process chart. Okay, in which you can just utilize two tools of operation and inspection. With the help of that you can develop these particular things. Okay, now we are just summarizing that with the help of whatever seen we have examples. With the help of those examples, the detailed procedure of constructing outline process chart, with the help of these two examples we have understand. Then you can solve this quiz that outline process charts are intended for task having the longer duration. Obviously answer is also mentioned. Okay, sometimes these quiz has been asked in your university exam, because and during this COVID they are asking few MCQs in the papers. So for that also you can, I have planned few questions at the end of the session. Okay, similarly you can prepare an outline process chart for an assembly of a bicycle. Okay, means you have get your assemble, suppose you have purchased a bicycle online, in most of the part they have given it to you, just, and they have also given you the procedure. So you have to follow that procedure, then prepare or assemble that bicycle. Okay, while and whatever the steps you have followed, those steps you have to write it down. That will give you the idea of the developing the outline process chart. Okay, so in this way you can prepare this particular activity and plan it. Okay, so thank you so much. I'm stopping here as of now. Okay, we'll come up with the next session where we will discuss about the further uh, development or further study related to the method study in the field of industrial engineering. Okay, thank you so much for your patience hearing. If you have any doubt, then just do comment in the video chat box, or you can hit the like button if you like the content, and come up with the next session if you want to hear in the series of industrial engineering method study. We'll come up with the next session soon. Thank you so much for your patience hearing. And if you have not subscribed this engineering college Banswara YouTube channel, where we are uploading the various subject domain content of Rajasthan Technical University related subjects, okay, of various branches in mechanical, electrical, civil and computer science engineering. Okay, you can visit those pages with your playlist and just watch the videos of your concern. Thank you so much for your patience and do visit again. Thank you so much.